Hi, Lipia here again, and I'm going to share yet another hymn that I was learning earlier this year, maybe 1 or 2 months ago, and it's a pretty simple hymn and very slow. Just it requires a couple more chords. It's called "God of the Sparrow," and we're doing the key of C. But it's more of a minor key hymn. And the chords are, it's going to be 7 chords in this hymn, so quite a few. But at least it's slow, so I think beginners might be able to handle this after some practice. Anyway, I'm a beginner, so I could handle it, so I'm sure you can. Um, just given a little bit of practice and motivation. Again, chord of C, F, G, A minor. And these 4 chords are pretty much the standard 4 chords for key of C. Now the additional ones: D minor, E minor, and an E major actually, which goes like this. Okay, so we need these 7 chords. We're going to run through the first verse real quick in the next section. Okay, let's play through the first verse slowly, and this is going to be in triple time, so you're going to be doing this kind of strumming pattern. Down, up, up. Okay, so let's start. God of the sparrow, God of the wheel, God of the swirling stars, how does the creature say, oh, how does the creature say, pray? Grab your song sheets and we're going to play through all the verses once through. God of the sparrow, God of the wheel, God of the swirling stars, how does of the Sparrow. It's not too hard to play, and it just requires a few more chords, but it is quite a nice hymn to play. So I hope you enjoy that, enjoy learning that. Again, take it slow, and see you next time.